Welcome to Geyser Systems. We believe in making the most of every drop of water. Our products ensure that no water is wasted. How? Well, instead of a shower head that's spraying and wasting water everywhere, we send water through a sponge at the end of a hose line. Now you control the clean and put each drop of water exactly where you need it. How does it feel? Like the best shower of your life. Imagine holding in the palm of your hand a washcloth doing two things: efficiently scrubbing through tough grime while continuously releasing a steady stream of water. Scrubbing and rinsing the grime all at once leaves you instantly refreshed in a fraction of the time. These ultra-efficient cleaning tools are built to put each drop of water to work. You may have seen our flagship, the Geyser system. It's fully integrated with a pump, heater, and sensors that are designed for van lifers, overlanders, or people who are just camping near a vehicle. But what happens if your rig already has a shower in it and you just want our patented sponge? Then we have the Geyser Eco Shower that's reverse compatible with any shower head in the market. It's built for RVers who love to boondock and people who want to conserve water at home. But what if you're not near a vehicle? What if all you have is a backpack, some wipes, and this water bottle? Well, let me introduce you a new product, the Geyser Clean Kit. It's the world's most water and power efficient way to get you, your team, and gear clean. For perspective, this liter of water now provides a 4-minute shower, and this tiny battery bank now provides up to 4 hours of shower time. By the way, you can also use it with any other water container in the market. It's reverse compatible, so you can adapt the Geyser Clean Kit to various situations and setups. In this playlist, you'll learn first how to set up, use, and the accessories that are offered to support a large team with your Geyser Clean Kit. Second video, we have some hidden advantages and also show you how it compares to wipes or other bulky camping showers in the market. And then third, we have some pro tips for questions we normally get, like how do you clean long hair? How do you rinse off soap and lather off of your Eco Sponge? And how long does an Eco Sponge last? Are you ready? Let's begin.